This is probably the noisiest this video is going to be. Just because I'm so close to the water on water. Because I can hear the rain, it's behind me, it's everywhere. But still, it's so nice. I, honestly, when I go to places like, or to houses like this, I genuinely wish I could just sit down, enjoy a cup of coffee while enjoying this. But the next best thing is actually being able to go around and showing you. So let's go ahead and do that. This is such a quiet neighborhood. And now that it's raining, now that we get to experience this while it's raining, it is so nice. Like the sound of the rain just pitter-pattering on the surfaces, on the trees. It's something else. Now that being said, we are here to tour the home, so here we are. You don't have a gate because you are inside an exclusive subdivision, so you can't afford that kind of luxury. On the left side, you have your four-vehicle carport as well as access to your staff quarters. And then here on the right side, you have the pathway leading up to your main entrance. Now your path itself, although you don't technically have a front yard, you do have this gardenscape or this landscape that affords you some very nice greenery. And that goes all the way to the back. So here you have your solid wooden main entrance with glass panels on either side. And when you enter, you have this open space. So you have your foyer over here. A console table would be perfect right here. Lagay ka pa ng mirror dyan, and then you have some catch-alls for your keys and what have you. And then you have your living and your dining areas in this space, basically. So from your main entrance all the way to the backyard, kita mo siya, it goes through. And as I was saying earlier, you have this garden at the side. So kita mo rin siya from the windows. So your ceiling design pretty much dictates where the living area is as well as the dining. But before we explore the rest of the floor, let's finish off the living area first, which has access to a guest accessible powder room. Currently, wala pang ilaw. This is a brand new home. So you have your sink over here as well as a toilet. You still have high ceiling just like the rest of the floor. You also have access to the main stairs, which we will go to later on. From your dining, you have sliding glass doors that lead out to your lanai as well as your dipping pool. I love the shape of this pool. It reminds me of a gift card actually, or like those gift tags. So talagang dipping pool lang siya, just for hanging out and a few short laps. And then your garden wraps around this area as well. And so umuulan, narinig nyo, well, at least I think narinig nyo. And it's just so relaxing. You have ceiling fans as well. So I don't know if it's just because it's raining, but genuinely fresco right now dito sa bahay. And I can only imagine as the months progress, lalo na pag Burr months, malamig dito. Siyempre, pag summer, mainit, wala tayong magagawa. We are in the Philippines, but having a home like this, at least with a high ceiling and well-ventilated spaces, you are at least offered na mas presko yung bahay niyo. Okay, so you have your kitchen over here, huge space with your island counter and a bar on one side. You have storage on the other, and then an outlet on this side, so in case you wanted to use your blender in the middle, pwede. And then you have an L-shaped counter on the other side with your built-in induction stove as well as your sink in front of the window, and then your built-in microwave and oven. And you also have lots of storage space, including closed storage or opaque storage, open storage, and storage that's behind glass. You have your refrigerator here as well as your CCTV access. You have a pantry right next to your fridge. And then on this side, you have a double action swing door with a glass panel that leads to your daily kitchen. So ito, wala ring light bulb. But again, very brand new. But you do have lots of storage here, as well as another surface to work on with a sink. And then on the other end, you have a screen door, metal screen door, as well as a jealousy window that leads to the side of the house and back out onto your 4-vehicle carport, as well as your staff quarters. Okay, so from here, we have a door leading to the den. So you could turn this room into anything really. You could turn it into an entertainment room, a family room. You could turn it into a guest room, especially because it also has access to the lanai and the swimming pool outside. So you have a sliding glass door between them. And this room also has an ensuite toilet and bath with lots of storage, mind you. So they made use of this space. Mas shallow siya, but it's a lot of storage still with soft close. You have your sink, your toilet, and then your enclosed shower space. Again, you have high ceiling and exhaust fan, and you still have a window. Okay, so that is it for the ground floor, and this is what the floor looks like from this angle. It's very open, right? And it's very bright, pero hindi siya puti lang. Actually, walls medyo may pagka beige. And the ceiling is actually much brighter than the walls. Pero I'm sure sa video, mukha lang siyang maliwanag. Okay, so before we head up to the second floor, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we're releasing new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in the Alabang area, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. For your main stairs, you have beautiful solid wooden steps as well as a handle, and then tempered glass for sort of the railing. So ang ganda niya kasi unobstructed yung view. Very clean, very modern, but still very, very sturdy. At least that's what it feels like. That's also what it looks like. And you have a chandelier that's very timeless. Like that is not going to go out of style anytime soon. Okay, so here on the second floor, you have a little bit of space in between the bedrooms. But first, let's check out this one. On the left, my left, your right. And here we have bedroom number 1. And this is at the front of the property. So this room has a view of the street at the front as well as the rest of the neighborhood, which basically your view is just plants, which is great. So you have a lot of space, lots of natural light coming in from the windows. Then you have an ensuite toilet and bath with your wardrobe. So there you go. So even the interior of the wardrobe is hindi siya puti. There you go. Actually, leather-like nga siya. Then you have your sink, your toilet over here, and then your enclosed shower space in the corner with an accent wall by the shower area. Again, you have an awning window as well as an exhaust. So actually, it's quite a big room. And then sa part na to yan, you can see the hallway now. It is wide. You could put a slim or shallow table here, so like a console table if you wanted to. And then across from that, we have linen closet. Well, basically storage, which already has its built-in shelves. But this would be perfect as a linen closet. Imagine yung mga hampers nyo nandyan, or just the literal linens folded up here, your supplies, toiletries, etc. Because we all know those things stack at home. Okay, right next to that, we have bedroom number 2. And this, again, is a very big room. Just use me for scale, right? I am around maybe 5'6" right now. So this is what someone of my height would look like in this room. It's quite large. You could fit a king-sized bed if you wanted to, but ideally queen-sized. Over here or here, the outlets actually give you versatility kung saan yung gusto ilagay yung layout or yung kama. And then here you have your ensuite toilet bath with your wardrobe, your sink, your enclosed shower space, and your toilet. Now this one actually has a sliding window, sliding glass window. Yung isa awning, diba? So medyo iba-iba pa siya. Then across this one, ito na pala yung primary bedroom. So wag muna yan. Ito muna tayo. So this is bedroom number 3. Again, this is at the front of the property. It's a very different shape. This one is more rectangular and quite linear actually. So again, very direct view of the street. A few awning windows here on the side, and then you have an ensuite toilet and bath with your wardrobe wall. Very dramatic lighting as of the moment. So this entire wall is just wardrobe space, and then you have your enclosed shower space, your toilet, and then your sink behind the door. Now we can go to the primary bedroom and see what that looks like. Galing no, because actually from the corridor, you can't really tell which one is the primary bedroom because all the doors are the same. Some people like that. Some people prefer the primary bedroom doors to be much more grand. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, but the moment you enter, you definitely know that this is the primary bedroom because you have so much space. Definitely put in a king-sized bed over here with end tables on either side. You have a little bit of desk space. You even have space for entertainment. You can fit in more desks, a sofa if you want this to be your office or not, that's up to you. And then you have your TV here, it can definitely fit a big one. And then you have a view of your neighborhood. And then you have a walk-in closet. Now your walk-in closet is mostly open storage. So you can reach your hanging rods, your shelves, your drawers easily, including your island counter in the middle. Island counter here in the middle. Sorry, I kind of mushed up that into one word. And then, of course, this is where your accessories go. Then you also have closed storage for maybe your bags, etc. And you have a vanity here on the left, as well as a full-length mirror here that also has options for dimming, as well as color temperature, and of course, turning off the light. I don't see that very often. Usually, nasa loob lang yun na CR, but this time it's in the walk-in closet mismo. And then you have a door that separates the walk-in closet from the ensuite toilet and bath with your toilet, your enclosed shower space, your his and hers sinks with storage underneath, and your bathtub. So this is actually a very practical and very nice layout for a primary bedroom. One that we don't often see, especially this separation between the actual toilet itself, or toilet area or wet area itself, from the wardrobe. So yeah, that has been it. 2 stories, 4 bedrooms, at least here on the 2nd floor, and then a den on the ground floor. But I will do that recap downstairs. For now, check out these really cool B-rolls. Honestly, what I really like about this house is the fact that it was made well. Alam ko, hindi ko masyado yung binanggit throughout the video, but the moment I saw the tiles, the walls, alam mo yung, it's the details, it's the little things. Pantay siya, maayos yung pagkagawa. But obviously, the best part of this house is the fact that it is inside this particular subdivision near Daang. So, recap. You have 4 bedrooms on the 2nd floor. I already mentioned this a few minutes ago, but I'm going to say it again. And then you have a den here on the ground floor, which also has an ensuite toilet and bath and access to the lanai with a swimming pool. So that one, technically in the future, if you needed it to be a primary bedroom or your elderly bedroom, pwedeng. But for now, let's call it a den. You have open space planning for your living, dining, and your kitchen. You have a 4-vehicle carport, You have staff quarters, and as I mentioned, you have a pool, Lanai, and then a bit of, not a bit, like, you have a lot of garden space on the side as well as a little bit on the front. And again, no need for gates because you are inside an exclusive and very quiet subdivision. Even though that it's raining, it's still quiet, it's very peaceful. So if you want to see it for yourself, send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future, invest with us, invest with Presello.
If you enjoyed that video and want to see more of our tours, make sure you click here. If you want to see flats and lofts, click here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click right here.